Irene Joliot Curie was a remarkable scientist, Nobel laureate, and advocate for gender equality in science. Her pioneering research in nuclear physics and radiochemistry revolutionized our understanding of the atomic nucleus and paved the way for future discoveries in nuclear energy and medicine. Irene Joliot Curie was born on September 12, 1897, in Paris, France. She was the daughter of Marie and Pierre Curie, both of whom were celebrated scientists and Nobel laureates. Irene grew up in a household where science and intellectual pursuits were highly valued, and she showed an early aptitude for mathematics and physics. Her parents encouraged her interests and provided her with a strong foundation in the sciences. In 1914, Irene enrolled at the Sorbonne in Paris to study physics and mathematics. However, her studies were interrupted by the outbreak of World War I, and she volunteered as a nurse to assist wounded soldiers. After the war, she resumed her studies and earned a degree in physics in 1925. After completing her studies, Irene began working with her mother on research into the properties of radioactive materials. Together, they discovered two new elements, polonium and radium, and were awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1935 for their groundbreaking work. Irene's own research focused on nuclear physics and radiochemistry. In 1934, she and her husband Frederick Joliot discovered artificial radioactivity, a groundbreaking discovery that would lead to the development of nuclear energy and medical applications such as radiation therapy for cancer treatment. Despite her scientific achievements, Irene faced discrimination as a woman in a male-dominated field. She was initially denied a position at the French Academy of Sciences because of her gender, but she persevered and was eventually elected to the Academy in 1942. Her discoveries in nuclear physics and radiochemistry laid the groundwork for future research in nuclear energy and medicine, while her advocacy for women's rights paved the way for more women to pursue careers in science. In recognition of her accomplishments, Irene was awarded numerous honors and awards throughout her lifetime, including the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, the Legion d'Honneur, and the Franklin Medal. Today, she is remembered as a trailblazer for women in science and a pioneer of nuclear physics and radiochemistry. Her legacy serves as an inspiration to all those who aspire to make groundbreaking discoveries and break down barriers in science.